shortly to try to sight, inshallah. We have a number of set up here, so number of people gathering together, mashallah, big crowd. I'm to introduce you to Marcin here. Marcin, you need to speak here. We're going live here, Marcin.
Hello. Well, so many cameras.
Yes, well, you're popular.
Hi, Mum. Hi, Mum.
So
I made it.
Tell us a little bit about what you're doing today.
Okay, so I am here with these guys, and they're teaching me how to use the telescope.
Excellent.
So, come on. He was smashing it before.
Yeah.
He wants to. So he's pointing it towards the moon now. So we're looking for the moon.
Where are we looking for it, Marcin?
And we are looking at 300 degrees on the azimuth, which is currently around where we're pointing.
Yeah.
And the moon should be elevated at 4 degrees above the horizon.
Yeah.
And it will have a period of about 20 minutes to catch the moon before it sets, because it's only a very transient process when it's the new moon. It only rises above the horizon and just moves across it and then sets after a little bit.
So when are we expecting to be able to sight it?
Well, I'd say we should be able to see it in about half an hour, I'd say.
Half an hour.
Yeah, I mean, it should be. It depends how high it rises, because there's a few trees obstructing actually the horizon. Because as you can see, just
that's right
there, the horizon kind of goes across, and then this part here is just it's closer, so that might obstruct the view. But hopefully, the 4 degrees will make a big enough difference so that we can actually just see it just bump over the horizon.
So can you tell us a little about the moon in terms of its altitude that we're expecting to see, the age of it, how old it is approximately?
How old the moon is? Well, to be honest, I don't really know much about the phases of the moon. All I know is that this is the beginning of the new cycle, and so the moon, up until now, the main part of the moon was covered, and then as we progress throughout the next cycle, it will start opening up, and I think it's called the crescent, the waxing part of the moon, and it gets bigger and bigger, and then it hits full moon, and then it starts getting smaller. But this is everybody knows this information.
Yep.
It's just a case of, you know, it's interesting. You can see how, if you picked the same point, if you pick the same time of day and you trace the path of the moon, it would be really interesting to see what path the moon would trace at that exact time. You can see that with the sun. The sun, if you picked, I think, noon, and looked at the same time, where the sun is at the same time over, say, the whole year, we'd see it trace like a figure of 8 pattern across the sky, like individually. So we can do the same with the moon to study it. But in terms of today, you know, it's the new moon, so it's an important day in your calendar as well, which I'm sure you can tell me more about.
I will do it. Thank you very much, Marcin, for that.
You're very welcome.
We'll join you again.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 300 degrees. We just need to hit the pitch.
Yeah.
Right.
So we've got that set, 300 degrees. What are you trying to get now?
4-degree altitude.
4-degree altitude.
Which, according to this, it's saying it's right, but we'll have to spot it with a binocular and then move it on manually. That's the thing when you got it on a far thing.
Make sure to share. Why do we go the next one? Permission you have it. For next one. No, you know what it is? People go bird watching. People go whatever, walks or the other place we used to go.
I don't think this one's functioning right.
Sorry?
I don't think it's functioning right.
No?
It's bright light. Same thing that happened when I had to replace.
I'm actually concerned that this hill is going to be
Stop listening.
Yeah, I'm concerned that this is rising really high. So I don't
Not a problem.
I'm concerned that this hill over here might be.
Concerned about the hill?
Yeah, I'm concerned about the hill. I don't know, I suppose there's a location killer.
Blocking the horizon.
Yeah, it's very much in. I mean, we still have time. It's still only half past. We've got 45 minutes.
You know, when it gets down lower, you're not going to be able to see it because the hill is in the way.
We would have been better in Bradford, where we were. Upstate, up in that, our Hilal.
In our, at the centre in Bradford, it would have been nice and clear. Nothing in,
Really?
There is another location here. Let's check out bus. Bus is the main guy.
If there's a location around, say, 20 minutes drive away,
Bradford.
Bradford, let's go. Let's pack up right now. Yeah.
You won't make it Bradford in 20 minutes.
Yeah,
The moon then sets 30 minutes later, so you roughly got 50 minutes. Because this hill is in the way. Degree altitude, you're not going to be able to
Bradford to get it put you in. You won't get to Bradford in time.
What about that?
I don't think you can get to Bradford in
What
time.
about that place, you know, near Upper Batley?
Muhammad, come here.
So what's this up?
It's in the way, Upper Batley Lane.
Can do.
Back up you.
So 20-25 minute drive there. So we should get there. It's 34.
Wait.